Hey guys, just updating my bathroom fan. So I decided to update it to this one. I got the old contractor grade that was making like really weird sounds sometimes. So I decided to upgrade it to this Panasonic. It's called Whisper mic. I like this one because it's about 70 to 90 CFMs, and then the sound sounds is 0.7 to 1.5, and then they got 3-year warranty on it. I did buy this at Home Depot. I figured that it's about time to upgrade everything in my house. I have 3 bathrooms that needs to be updated. The basement one I already did update that one, but I needed to update this bathroom in the main floor and then 2 bathrooms upstairs. So I like this one. It's pretty quiet. So the one that was in my bathroom before was this thing here. This brand. I don't even know what brand this is. It just says HVI certified. And it was freaking loud and was just making a ton of, like, it's so dirty, if you can see, as you can see. Look at that. Yeah. So you need to check your vents when you hear making like rattling sounds and like weird sounds sometimes. It's because it's so dirty like this. And I just was so tired of it. Like sometimes you'd be on a call in the living room and the fan is on, it's like buzzing like crazy. So it wasn't pretty straightforward like I thought it was gonna be. The insert for this, the little metal thing that goes in up there and that thing slides into, wasn't the same design as this one here. So basically I had to remove this thing here. I had to remove it all out. It wasn't that hard because the other one was just clipped in there and 2 screws. So it was pretty simple to remove it and then install this one right here. So if you buy a different brand of a fan at Home Depot and try to install it, most likely you're gonna have to change this insert, the outer part of the fan, to be able to fit it in up there. But this is a new one that I just installed. It's pretty quiet. I like it a lot. I'm gonna turn it on there in just a second so you guys can see. This one was like super loud. And so this is like a major upgrade for this bathroom. So if you're interested in this one is at Home Depot. I think they might even have it at Lowe's, the same brand. But let me just turn this on really quick. You can barely hear it even when I bring it up here. The other one is like brrr, like super loud. I can open it up here so you guys can see that I'm super close now. If you can hear that, it's not loud at all. And just like any other fan, the same idea, just like the little clippy things on the side that comes up. That's one side, and it looks like that inside. Okay. And the cool thing about this one, it's got 2 switches here. So that's it right now is on 2. I can turn it to 1. So now it's on speed 1 right here. So if I can put it on 2, that's 2. That's 1. That's 2. So it looks clean, normal, weird stuff. And the thing I like with this one is like it flashes out here on the drywall. And the only thing that I had to change my on this, there's like 2 screws that's supposed to go that already pre-drills holes on the side of this. But the problem I had is like the flex for the take stuff outside, it's coming from this side right here. So, and this is where the joist is right here. So I had to turn this thing around so I can fit the flex, and it was fitted from this side. And so I had to drill my own holes on the side of this thing here so I can screw it into the joist on this side. And all you need to do is just get a metal bit and make a hole on this metal thing and screw it. So I have 2 screws, a little bit up here and then up here. I don't know if you can even see them. You can't see them now. And then I remove the whole thing. This thing can come out. It clips on this. And then you put a screw here, and then there's another screw up on the top. So I took this out so I had room to screw the screws up here and on this side, because I couldn't put screws. See these holes right here, pre-drill holes? There's one right here. technically you could drill, but there's no wood here. There's no place to drill, so I drill into the joist on the other side. So that's pretty much what you need to do to be able to to put this out. Okay, and I like that this has 2 switches, 2 speeds. You can put it on a lower speed like that, or you can put it on a higher speed like that. So, and when you put this cover, it covers everything, covers all this metal thing, you can see it. And I can show you guys just a second right here. So if I put this back in here, look, it's flush to that metal, like you can't see it anywhere. If you see here, it's very flush. And it looks really, really sharp. Okay? The only thing that I did difference, the other one had already a plug here, but the other one had to wire. And then on the side, it's got like a box that has all the wire in that one. This one is just plugged into this thing here somewhere. Another thing that I had to buy was like an adapter. This is 4 inches right here, but my adapter there was 3 inches. So I had to buy like an adapter that goes from 4 to 3. And then since this is 4 and the other one is 4, I cut it on the side, the plastic here, I cut it on the side a little bit here so I can shove it into that. Then I use like a self-tapping screw, then taped it. So it fits really, really perfect and stronger. But you don't have to do that. You can just put the adapter on top here and then just tape it around. But mine works really perfect. And then this is the box right here where you tap this out, and then your wire from the main wire up there goes in here, and then you connect the wire from here to your motor, and then everything runs just perfect. So it's pretty handy, pretty simple. Anybody can do this. I'm about to go install another one. All right, so this is another one that I'm about to install. This I'm installing my main master bath. It's 80 to 100 CFMs, and the sound is much lower than the other one. So I'm excited about this one. It's got a powerful motor, it says we're here. And in this one, instead of 3, it's got 6-year warranty. It's much a little bit bigger. And I'm about to install this into my master bath. That's where it's gonna go over there. So if you are wondering of different sizes, this is a separate size. They do sell some of them that have like LED lights here, but I got enough light in my bathroom, so I did not need that. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.